A dragonfly lies motionless. But look closer. Dozens of ants are already surrounding it. Is this a tragic ending? Or an essential part of nature's design? Dragonflies are extraordinary aerial predators. With 4 transparent wings and massive compound eyes, they can detect and capture mosquitoes mid-flight with incredible precision. But today, the hunter has become the hunted. These ants are not here by accident. They are scavengers, nature's cleanup crew. In ecosystems, ants play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter. They dismantle the dragonfly's body piece by piece, carrying fragments back to their colony. This process is part of biological recycling. The energy once used for flight and hunting does not simply disappear. It returns to the soil as nutrients, feeding microorganisms and plants, continuing the endless cycle of life. In nature, nothing is truly wasted. Predators can become resources. Life is constantly transforming, from movement to stillness, from hunter to nourishment. What may look harsh to us is actually balance in action. So what do you see here, an ending? Or the beginning of something new? Share your thoughts in the comments. And follow for more cinematic stories from the hidden world of small creatures around us.